Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the TV and using the remote to open settings, go straight to picture or display. Once there, you check the current brightness value so you know the baseline. Write it down if needed. Then, enable any expert, advanced, or service mode. Make sure you do this only if the menu appears, because it unlocks finer steps like backlight, contrast, and local dimming, which will adjust next. Now, lower brightness in controlled increments, try 5% steps, and watch representative scenes so you can see shadow detail versus crushing blacks. Once done, reduce backlight or OLED light independently to cut overall luminance while keeping contrast near default to preserve whites. Make sure to toggle local dimming and the ambient light sensor so the TV stops changing brightness based on room light. Disabling the sensor often keeps your manual setting stable and predictable. To finish, confirm results with test patterns or a calibration clip. Check shadow detail and black uniformity. Adjust brightness or gamma slightly if midtones shift. Then save your settings to a picture mode preset so you can switch profiles for SDR, HDR, or night viewing. If the image becomes too dark, reset contrast to its prior value or re-enable dynamic range briefly. And if nothing helps, reboot the TV and reopen expert mode. That single troubleshooting step often clears menu or sensor glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.